Are you looking for the best smartphone? In this video, we will look at one of the best smartphone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. The first of Realme's 10 series phones is here, and it places a focus on performance and efficiency, called simply the Realme 10. This phone drops the Snapdragon 680 of its predecessor in favor of a MediaTek Helio G99. Realme boasts about the 400K score in Antutu, which is 40% higher than the Realme 9 managed. The new chipset has 25% faster CPU performance and uses 20% less power. There are configurations with 4GB, 6GB and 8GB of RAM, which can be expanded with up to 8GB of virtual RAM. Realme used UFS 2.2 for storage, 64-256GB, and advertises 50% faster cold launches, and 40% faster hot launches than the Realme 9. That one also used UFS 2.2, so some other optimizations must be at play. While PUBG can't hit 90 FPS, some lighter games might. The Realme 10 is equipped with a 6.4 Super AMOLED display, 1080x2400px with 90Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate, with a peak brightness of 1000 nits and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. This sounds exactly the same as the Realme 9 display. The camera, however, does not. The Realme 10 has suffered a major downgrade in this department compared to its predecessor. It comes with a basic 50MP main camera, one 0.76jn1 sensor, and a 2MP depth sensor, no ultra-wide. For comparison, the Realme 9 had a 108MP main, 1/1.67, and 8MP ultra-wide cameras. The battery is as before, 5000 mAh capacity with 33W fast charging support. However, Realme has managed to trim a few minutes off the charge cycle. The Realme 10 needs 28 minutes to hit 50% and 70 minutes for a full charge, compared to 31 minutes to 50% and 75 minutes to 100%. The Realme 10 will be available soon. Below are the global prices for the various memory configurations.